Hello to all the 3D printing enthusiasts and fans of innovative technologies. Today, I am going to introduce you to a revolutionary product that will change the game in the world of home printing. Imagine being able to bring your ideas to life in 3 dimensions with incredible precision and astonishing ease. Hang on, because we are going to explore the entire fascinating universe of the Creality Ender 3 Pro, a machine that will revolutionize the way you create. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. Whether you are an experienced printing enthusiast looking for exceptional performance or a curious beginner eager to explore the captivating world of three-dimensional creation, the Creality Ender 3 Pro is designed to meet all your needs. Its easy assembly and advanced features make it the ideal tool for enthusiasts and professionals of all levels. You have always dreamed of bringing your wildest ideas to life without complications, and today, it's possible. Let me introduce you to the Creality Ender 3 Pro, a 3D printer that exceeds your expectations. Imagine creating prototypes, custom parts, or even artistic objects with astonishing simplicity. The Creality Ender 3 Pro is here to unleash your creativity. And the best part is, you can own it right now, with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Now let's dive into the features that make the Creality Ender 3 Pro exceptional. This 3D printer is equipped with a removable magnetic surface plate that ensures complete protection and a consistent temperature across the entire build surface. Imagine being able to effortlessly remove your creations after cooling. This is the guarantee of ease of use. The certified power supply ensures maximum safety, heating the bed to 110 deg in just 5 minutes. It also offers a print recovery function after unexpected power outages. You will no longer have to worry about losing your ongoing projects. And guess what? This printer is semi-assembled, making its setup easier while providing an exciting educational experience on building 3D printers. You will learn the basics of mechanical and electronic engineering while creating something tangible. The technical features of the Creality Ender 3 Pro are simply stunning. With FDM modeling technology, it offers a print size of 220 x 220 x 250 mm. Compact, it measures only 40 x 41 x 40.6 cm, making it ideal for fitting into any workspace. Its assembly is a piece of cake, requiring only 20 screws and 10 minutes before the first print. You will save time while ensuring stable performance. And for beginners, don't worry. The brand has included a detailed manual to guide you through every step. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order your own at the best price right now and revolutionize your daily life. The entire system is powered by a UL-certified source of 360 watts, providing a maximum bed temperature of 110 degrees Celsius. This 3D printer offers incredible precision with a layer thickness of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm. The advantages of the Creality Ender 3 Pro are numerous. Its innovative V-design works in conjunction with the Prusa i-frame, creating a new generation of economical and DIY 3D printers. Its generous print size and compact structure make it an optimal choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. And what would you say about the patented technology that reduces the risk of clogging and ensures silent, smooth, and durable movement? The innovative adhesive platform eliminates the need for tape and glue, thus solving warping issues while reducing printing costs. And the best part is that this 3D printer is available at the best price. By clicking on the link in the description, you will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Finally, let's summarize the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage: no. Quick assembly in just 10 minutes, and with 20 screws, you can assemble this 3D printer. This provides a simple and fast installation experience. Advantage number 2, generous print size. With a print size of 220 x 220 x 250 mm, this 3D printer offers enough space to bring your creative ideas to life in 3 dimensions. Advantage number 3, guaranteed safety. The certified power supply protects your 3D printer from unexpected surges, ensuring safe usage. Advantage number 4, print recovery. The print recovery feature allows this 3D printer to resume work from where it left off, in case of a power outage, for example, thus avoiding the loss of your ongoing projects. Advantage: no. Patented technology. With an improved extruder and patented technology, this 3D printer significantly reduces the risk of clogging for smooth and high-quality printing. Now let's move on to the number one drawback. Connected use for its operation. This 3D printer requires either an online USB connection or the use of a micro SD card in offline mode. Some users may prefer completely fiber-free options. Disadvantage number 2, limited layer thickness. Although the layer thickness can vary between 0.1 and 0.4 mm for some advanced users, they may desire a wider range for maximum customization. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Creality Ender 3 Pro remains an outstanding option for those looking to enter the world of 3D printing or improve their existing skills. In conclusion, the Creality Ender 3 Pro is much more than just a 3D printer. It is your gateway to a world of unlimited creativity. Whether you are a curious beginner or a passionate expert, this printer will meet all your expectations. Don't miss the opportunity to own this technological marvel. Click the link below to order your Creality Ender 3 Pro at the best price, discover thousands of customer reviews, and learn more about this revolution in 3D printing. Unleash your creativity today with the Creality Ender 3 Pro, the 3D printer that will change the game. Thank you for your attention, and